been thinking about us, baby. I've been missing you like crazy. I don't know how much I miss you, but it's been months that I haven't seen you. Baby, why won't you tell me what's really going on? Baby, haven't seen you laugh, your smile is all gone. It's hurting me a bit, baby, and I know you're not okay. You say you'll be fine, don't worry, that's not what they say. I know it might be hard, but can you please tell me what's bothering you? Could it be just me? What's my one touch is all I need for you. I'll do anything, just tell me what to do. To the touch you give me, the challenges in life, I just want you to be happy, maybe be your blood.